everyone, welcome to Family Fun Night. My name is Ms Paula and I work for Harris County Public Library, Lone Star College Sci-Fair. So today we're celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. It's actually the last day of the month for celebrating. But you don't have to stop celebrating there. We're always having birthday parties, family gatherings, Christmas, holidays, so you can take a piñata to any of those activities and gatherings. So today is going to be all about piñatas. There's a song that you play when you're playing the piñata game, and I'm going to play that for you now. And following this song, there's a short tutorial on how to make a piñata. Piñatas are so much fun to make, especially if you have a family. Brings the family together. You laugh and you play, and you stuff that piñata with yummy candy, and then at the end of the game, you burst it open and enjoy eating it. So here we go. We're starting off with a fun song. This is La Piñata, and it goes like this. So that means watch your aim, watch the distance between you and the piñata, and watch your aim. That's what that song is about. And it's dale, dale, dale means hit the piñata. So I'll have a little addition to that explanation of this song. I'll have the words for you in a PDF file where you can download it from our website and print it out if you'd like to do so. So now, after this tutorial, which is next, on how to make a piñata, we'll go outside and we'll hang that piñata, and I'll show you how that's done.